Welcome to Hotel Me, where we showcase various hotel rooms to help you decide where you want to stay when traveling. Join us today as we tour the East Central Downtown Los Angeles Hotel in Los Angeles, California. Today we'll be taking a look at a 315 square foot superior room with a king bed. The room features the king bed with nightstands and lamps on either side. The room contains a dresser with a wall-mounted TV, a desk, and an oversized cushioned chair in the corner. The decorative headboard and pillows add a nice touch of design to the overall vibe of the room. There's a nice full-length mirror next to the dresser. Inside of the dresser, you'll find a mini refrigerator and a safe. And on top of the dresser, there's a coffee maker with supplies. There's an input control for the TV above the desk, along with power outlets. Overall, the living area of the hotel room is small, but it's colorful and comfortable. Heading toward the bathroom, there's a small external closet containing robes, hangers, and a luggage rack.
This room was designed with a sliding bathroom door instead of a real bathroom door, a trend that we don't love in modern hotel rooms.
But besides that, it's a nice and clean space. The wall-to-wall vanity mirror makes it feel spacious, and the modern accents make the bathroom overall very pleasant. The standing shower is small, but it works well for the space. The shower also comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, though unbranded. It's a single sink layout, but there's a decent amount of counter space. You'll find shelves below the countertop holding the hairdryer, towels, and slippers.
The hotel lobby is like the room, colorful and inviting, but on the smaller side. There is also a shop attached to the lobby for snacks and other necessities. The fitness center is upstairs and open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily, but just FYI, there is no pool at this hotel. There's a restaurant and bar on the second floor of the hotel called Nixo Patio Lounge. It has a great outside patio area with lots of high top and lounge seating. They also offer complimentary coffee for hotel guests and snacks available for purchase.
Would we stay again? That's always what really matters to us when it comes to the hotel room and the hotel itself. We would stay again. This hotel is all about location. It's across the street from the LA Convention Center, Crypto.com Arena, the Peacock Theater, LA Live, and so much more. It is in the heart of downtown Los Angeles, so please understand you're in a very busy area of a big city and plan accordingly. We think this hotel is great for business, event, and convention travelers. The room, like the hotel, is small but vibrant. It's a lovely place to stay in downtown Los Angeles. Drop a comment if you've stayed at the East Central Hotel in Los Angeles, California, and tell us your thoughts on your hotel experience.